little bird. Is it injured?
It looks hurt. Like, I feel like it would have, got up already.
This bird hit our window and knocked itself silly. Look at it. I'm gonna find something to poke it with.
Okay. Stay right here.
I'm gonna poke it with this broom. Okay, there we go. Go ahead, birdie. Go ahead. Go. Fly. Fly, bird. Fly, bird. Can you get a grip on? Don't pick it up by its tail.
I'm trying to.
You have to pick it up, like, scoop it.
He keeps squirming.
Oh. Why is it doing that?
He pooped. He's fluttering.
Oh.
See? He might just be chilling here because he wants to.
You like us? We like you too.
Poop.
Wait, hold on, because I don't want him to, like, come over to me and then I freak out and scare him and, like, smack
He
him.
gets hurt again.
Let's just give him some space. Hold on. Let's give him a little room here.
He finished his food.
When he's going back in the cage.
You get that?
Yes! Oh my god! Hello!
Wait, why is he following you?
Hi! Are you my friend now? Are we friends? I like you too. Oh my god! This is the best day of my life!
You gotta send me that video.
Oh me!
He's like, wait, where am I?
It's dark in here, isn't it? You can't see me anymore? Oh.
He's exploring.
This is so awesome. Oh my god, this is so cool.
He's like, where the fuck am I at? Where's the grass?
He looks so lost. Get him back in the house. So we changed his name to Spot. Spot, that's your name. Because of the black spot on your head. Not black spot. Just Spot. Okay.
Okay, Spot.
We're gonna try to get Spot down.
I'm trying to help you down.
Don't. Kobe's trying to help him get down.
I hate this ladder.
Yeah, that ladder is... I'm gonna hold it.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure? Because it's not very stable. Okay, if you fall, I got it on video that I said I would help.
Oh, I think he's sleeping.
He's sleeping? Move, let me get some video. You gotta hold it for me because I'm a wiener. Okay, very quiet. Carefully. Oh my god.
He's actually sleeping.
He's asleep. Zoom in. Don't drop your phone. Look at him. He's sleeping. Oh, that's so cute. He's asleep. He's a sleepy bird.
Okay, I have to get my own footage. Please don't fall. I'm gonna feel so bad if you fall.
I'm not gonna be able to catch a eagle.
Now, you're gonna come down because we can't have you in here for that long. Our parents are gonna get home soon, and you're gonna get scared when the garage opens.
At least he's not close to the... Maybe we should open it. He's not anywhere near any of the mechanics anymore. So we don't have to worry about him getting squished by his stuff turning. And then he could just fly out the door.
Wait, I am in direct pipeline to get pooped on.
Yeah, you might want to move.
Okay, new plan, opening the door.
I'm just going to keep an eye on him, see if he moves. He is not going anywhere. He did not move. Not an inch.
He's looking like, what the fuck? He was looking around. Like, what's that sound? Okay, I'm kind of scared to stand on this because it doesn't look very sturdy.
It's not sturdy. I wouldn't recommend it. Okay. You're back out in nature, so you don't need us anymore. Wait, where is he?
He's in this tree somewhere.
Oh, he's somewhere in the tree. We lost him.
Yep, I saw it.
Found him.
Yep, he's right there.
He's right there.
But he's right there.
There he is.
That little blob.
That little blob.
Yep, he's okay.
He made it.
He made it out.